Hey traders, good news. I have passed my challenge phase 1. Here you can see I was updated in my last video that I started 10k account from the bullwaves, which is a very good prop firm. And here you can see the profit target 8% I have reached. So the trading is disabled here. Here you can see the entire trading history, where my win rate was 56% only, even I pass. So I will show one by one. Here you can see in the dashboard, my account is success, phase 1. And here is the account number 1204910. Here you can see in the MD5, the account 1204910. If you see the details, the account was success. And my average loss was $37 and average win was $73, almost double, and win rate is 56.67%. Here you can see all the metrics, my average trade duration, profit factor, which is very good. I take a total of 5.25 lots. Here you can see my graph chart, equity graph from the day 1, and the trading objects 10 days. I traded 10 days and profit target 8%, and that means 800 I hit. And here is all the trading journal. Here you can see this is a very good dashboard also. I loved it. And when I reached the profit target, immediately I got an email: you have passed stage 1. What next? Congratulations on passing stage 1. You did great in stage 1 of the funded challenge, and the credentials for stage 2 should be in your inbox soon. I got credentials within a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Here you can see the credentials email. So this is a quick update. I will break down my all the trade and P&L in my next video. And also I am trading on phase 2. Here you can see I am on a little bit drawdown, which is 3%. I traded 2 days, including today, but this is not counted yet. It will be shortly, but no problem. I will recover soon. This is my confidence, and I place so many trades. Actually, the cause of my loss near about 3%. This is over trading again. So I understand I stopped trading. Then from the Monday, I will start trading again and hope I will recover it. And then I will hit the profit target 5%. That means now I have profit target 8% actually. In general, stage 2, the profit target 5%, but I lost 3%. So 3% plus 5%, I have to do 8% profit target to reach the funded account. And I'm trading on MT5, which is very good, and execution speed is very good. Spread is too tight. There is no commission, no hidden fees on trade. That's why I am reaching profit target easily. I told you in the previous video, and always I advise for prop trading, the trading environment is very important to pass a challenge. So the bullwaves prop firm is very good. If you want to start trading with this prop firm, link in the description, go and check. And also don't forget to join this giveaway, still running. I will announce the winner within next 2-3 days. Here you can see 3x 10k from the bullwaves prime, and the steps are written here, what you have to do to participate this giveaway. And this link you will get in my Telegram channel as well as in my X handle. Here you can see algofx_pro. If you search on X, you will get this account and join from here. So if you get this video available for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for regular updates of prop firm trading and Forex trading. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.